Alright guys, we're out hitting ComBat rocket launcher. Heard a lot of good things about this bat. We're going to test it out. We've actually got it broke in at 300 swings right now, and we're out on a baseball field. Going to see what kind of distance we can get on it. One thing I will tell you about this bat is very heavy. This is a 26 fully loaded. This bat is very heavy. It actually swings like a log. When we were hitting it, got broke in. Handle's stiff on it. Doesn't have that much flex in the handle. It's got a small knob on it, which I like. Handle's thin on it. No flex in the handle. Very little flex in the handle. And it feels like that weight is like right here in the end of it when we're swinging it, breaking it in. But we got it broke in right now. We're going to see what kind of distance we can get on a baseball field. I'll let you guys know. Thanks.
Damn. Heavy ball.
I think even Bubba took 2 cuts instead of cuts. He didn't like it? He said 5. He's swinging 20. But I like this bat too.
That's 15?
We're doing 10.
Soft.
Oh yeah, I like it. I'll give you one.
He is heavy. What is this, Deke? Rocket launcher. Shit, that'll work.
ComBat, 26 ounce ComBat.
After the second game, I already knew what was going to happen.
I had a feeling, not after the second, but
After the inbounds pass, they got botched. I knew what was going to happen. They didn't want us to win. And then after the game, after that, the one up in Oklahoma where the fouls.
They fouled the guy that didn't call it.
They didn't call it. I knew. Then I knew. Okay. I know. I know how it's going. Let's put it wrong. Yeah, you're swinging that thing just like a heavy-ass big cat is what you're doing. But you got to.
Yeah. You got the swingers were set to do.
They have somebody else. They have another jig up. I mean, in my opinion, and I've watched enough NBA games, it's all fixed. It's for the ones that don't come out. Okay guys, let me talk about this bat. For one, it's got that tackified, I don't know what you want to call it. It's not as bad as the Dudley, but it's got a little tacky finish on it all the way down through the handle and everything. Sweet spot, not very big. We got some good distance on this bat, but not what not what I expected. Actually, I think it fell short from whatever all the hype it was being pumped up about this bat. They're saying it's better than the Dudley. This bat is not better than the Dudley, although it did perform better than a lot of ComBats that I've swung. And I think the reason is why is because they got an ounce and a half end load in this bat. I actually think this bat is loaded pretty big up the barrel because the sweet spot's not very big on this bat. Guys, this bat is a 26 and it's actually a fully loaded. This bat is heavy as shit. I've had 15 guys swing this bat. 10 of them hated it, and the reason is because they labored trying to get it around. So I swung it. It wasn't that bad for me, but I had to start my swing early just to get the bat head around. Any inside pitches I could not turn on this bat. It just swings really heavy. I cannot emphasize how heavy this bat swings. It swings like a log to me. But when I squared up and hit one, but it had to hit it like right here, the ball went pretty far, but just did not get as far as my top five. I'm trying to not say too many bad things about this bat, but it did not even hit my top 6. It probably around 7 or 8 maybe in my list, but definitely not my top 5, and definitely not as good as the Dudley. Don't believe the hype on this bat. A lot of you guys grab it and like the way it swings, mainly because of the end load if you're an end load guy. But once it starts swinging, you know, I hit some balls good, but I had to hit the right pitch to hit a ball really good with this bat. It took around 400 swings for this bat to open up. So them saying it's hot out of the wrapper, I don't believe it was hot out of the wrapper. About 400 for it to truly, really open up. This one's got around 500 on it. It just didn't reach my top 5, guys. Thanks.